Property takeovers. What happens with the tenant's information? Well, if a landlord comes on board with me because they're not happy with another property manager's service, then I ask them to copy me into the email when they're providing their required 28 days notice to that current managing agent. At the appropriate time, I will then contact the agent and give them a list of the information that I need relating to the tenancy. This relates to the tenant contact details, their tenancy ledger on the date of handover, their ingoing property condition report and supporting photographs, their bond lodgement number, a copy of their previous routine inspection, if they've had any breaches or terminations, and if there's any outstanding maintenance on the property that's required, if there's any outstanding invoices for the owner that needs to be paid, to name a few. Now, I've had a situation just recently where it's like 2 weeks past the handover date and I'm still waiting for a small amount of tenant-held funds to be transferred to our trust account, as well as the ingoing property condition report and supporting photographs, as well as the last routine inspection report. Now, this makes me very nervous that it's been some time now. Apparently someone is on leave and they'll attend to it when they're back, but that's really not acceptable when they have no authority to be withholding these documents and those funds anymore. The date of handover is the date that everything should be provided. So if somebody else is going on leave within their office, they'll need to make alternative arrangements for the principal or somebody else to attend to these matters. I've had recent experiences where the property condition reports I've received for handover tenants did not relate to that tenancy, which has caused absolute nightmare when it comes time to bond disposal. So I'm wanting to make sure that the information I'm getting is correct and that I am actually getting the information, because if there are delays, that gives me a little spidey senses tingling, either the property condition report's shonky or maybe it doesn't even exist. So I'm just wanting to reassure landlords that if they're not happy with where they are, they can come on board with me. I am quite fastidious about the documentation that I receive on handover to make sure that we set the tenancy up for success moving forward when it's under my portfolio. So if you've got any further queries on any of that, please reach out to me and we can have a chat.